Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Tapestry, and on this chart I can count a pretty nice 5-wave move to the upside here, 3, 4, 5, and then we also had a nice 3-wave move to the downside, completing a wave 2, and then we resumed our uptrend. But I have a little bit of an issue here labeling this, because I could say that the wave 2 bottomed here in the lowest point. I could also say that this was a truncation in the 5th wave. I don't really have a 5th wave to follow up here, so I am going to keep the targets, the overall targets here for the 3rd wave a little bit more flexible, more fluid, because other than the targets for the 5th wave, where the wave 1 started doesn't really change anything. It doesn't matter. It only affects where the ideal target for a 3rd wave to the upside would be, and yeah, we may reach that, we may not, we may exceed that anyway. So yeah, without focusing on that too much, I am looking here as a 1, 2, 3, where I'm still looking for at least another 4-5 pattern to complete this 3rd wave to the upside. And it is not entirely clear the substructure here. I could say that we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then this could be the entire 3rd wave up, and then we would be looking for a 4th and a 5th, and I will here put a larger support zone for that. That would be between $86.6 down to around $63.5. But to be honest, I prefer the interpretation where we would actually be looking for 2 more 4-5 patterns, and instead we would have a wave 1 up here, a wave 2 down, a 3rd wave up, a 4th wave down, and then in this 5th wave I could see maybe a double 1 2 1 2, or just the 1 2. Now a 3rd wave up that might be complete, now the 4th wave down, and we could be looking for a few more 4-5 patterns in this 5th wave to the upside. And let me even introduce a count on this chart for this, and even a smaller one in this area. But I believe we may have multiple 1-2 setups there, to be honest. And I would like to provide you a support zone for such a wave 4. Now, regardless of how many 1-2 setups we have, the wave 4 support zone will be the same, because we are counting this as the 3rd wave definitely. And we actually reached the 50% retracement here quite steeply, so that may be an issue. They sometimes don't hold when they break down with such strength all the way to the last level, but I still expect a decent retracement here at least, even if we form a larger ABC and head into the larger support zone. But if you are interested in this area, in this chart, you may enter here, and a stop loss below this last low at around, what is the low? $92.7 might not be too bad, and the profit opportunity is quite decent, I would say, if it were. So let's say that we have a double 1 2 1 2 1 2 setup, so we are looking for 1 2 3 4. A target for the 5th wave in this area would be around $128 down to $119. So there's potential for quite decent profits even from this level. So yeah, that is about it for this video. These are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.